In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Drift Maniac 7-speed 11/28 tooth freewheel on the Aventon Abound. What you're going to need is the freewheel itself, the freewheel removal tool, just the standard one, an 18mm wrench or socket, and grease. Here's the Amazon listing right here. I'll provide a link below. Anyway, so I am replacing the 14 to 28 tooth freewheel. I just learned about freewheels and cassettes and whatnot. That is on this Aventon Abound with 20-inch wheels. Now, apparently their 7-speed bikes all have freewheels because the electric motor, that's the thing, 750 watt, does not have a free hub on it. I did look to see if it would be easy enough to replace the hub with a free hub, and well, the free hubs I found looked like they were bolt-on. Thought that'd be promising, but this doesn't look like bolt-on. Regardless, I'm not going to get crazy. We're just replacing the freewheel, and we're not going to deal with cassettes. I really wanted to find a Shimano 11 to 28 tooth, but apparently they don't exist in freewheel style, because everything's gone to cassettes in the last few decades. Anyway, all right. Don't need to loosen it. So, before I ordered the Drift Maniac 11/28, I found out I needed to have the tool to remove it, and I saw that there was a cutout tool and a standard tool. So I wanted to come out and see which side the power line came out on, and it looks like power line is on the brake side and not freewheel side, so I went with the cheaper non-cutout type, and that was convenient. All right, I'm going to take this out of the way since I don't actually need it. This zip tie. I want to actually reuse it, so I'm just going to pry the thing up and leave it there, like I did with my level when I put my Tannis inserts in after I got my first flat. I didn't want to be dealing with taking the tire off again if I could avoid it. Alright, nice. I'm going to remove this. Alright, power disconnected, that out. Alright. Retainer ring. That. Okay. Alright, so I don't know where my crescent wrench is or any of my larger wrenches, because it has been years since I use tools every day as part of my profession. So channel locks it is. This is just a tool and not part of the bike, so I don't care about getting it buggered up. Brace the wheel. Let's go deeper. Okay, that is not There we go. Excellent. Alright, so voila. Easy as that. Alright, so yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some grease. Alright, so I still have the grease that Aventon gave me, because I only just built this bike 4 days ago. Because this operates it spins to the right as it operates. There's no fear of this spinning off in operation. So I'm going to grease it as is recommended, because the last thing we want is for this to be bound up in the future. Not meant to be this same. Yes. Okay. Tighten this nice. Just snug, because I don't have a fear of it coming off. Alright, so there are concerns about spacers and whatnot that I heard of. I don't know. I have no idea if there's going to be an issue yet.
Next, I will show you how to increase the max speed on the Abound using a Windows or Mac computer and an Android device. They will both need to be on the same network segment to communicate with each other. Quick instructions for Fiddler. We go to Tools, we go to Options, we go to Connections, and we check this box, Allow Remote Computers to Connect. You'll get this prompt, click OK. Note that the port number is 8888. Alright. Click OK. Now, we go to Rules, and we go to Customize Rules. In here, you can use Control A to select everything, clear it out, and take the JSON script that I've provided that I'll give credit to in the notes. Let me paste that in there. And save. And done. You'll also need to get your IP address. There's multiple ways that you can do it. You can either view your network information, which you can see right here. My IP address is right there. More commonly, people will open up CMD, command prompt, ipconfig. Yeah, config. And you can see it right here, IPv4 address right there. You'll need that and that Fiddler port number to set up the proxy on your phone. So you're going to want to open up your browser. I'm using Chrome here. And you'll want to go to APKPure.com. Here, you want to search for Aventon. I've got it in my history here. And skip all the ads, skip all the ads, skip all the ads. Go and find the apps. So Aventon's right here. Tap Aventon. Don't tap download. Don't tap download on anything yet. Keep scrolling. Scroll past all that. Now we see old versions of Aventon. All versions is what I'm going to select here. I want to show more. So I want to go all the way back to 1.6.2. This is the one that I used and worked for me. Scroll through. Not the fast download. Here you want to download APK 110 megabytes right there. Download anyway. and then you want to go to details. At this point in time, I want to open it. Alright, you might get prompted to allow Chrome or whatever browser you're using to install apps, and then it will bring you back here to install. And then you can open it. We'll agree, and we'll sign in. Now once you get the app installed, you'll need to go ahead and get it logged in and get it paired to your bike. Now once it's paired to your bike, you'll need to crash the app or exit it out, and you'll need to go into your Wi-Fi settings. At that point in time, you'll go to either Advanced Settings or View More. You'll need to configure your proxy. You'll configure it with that IP address that you previously identified on your computer. And you'll save that. And you'll go back to your Aventon app. You want to get reconnected at that point. I just got mine turned on. We're connected, it looks like. Yep. Let's go to settings. And I already got it set, but I'm showing you that now you can set it to 32. That is now the max speed that this app recognizes. At that point in time, I would, if I were you, close out of the app, turn your proxy back off. It'll interfere with other communications, and uninstall the app.